want to say good morning, but it is good afternoon. I just left one client's house and on my way to another, and I picked up a requested Poplin order. I haven't done this lady in a while now, and believe it says she has 2 bags. So when I get off at 3, I'm going to go head down to her place and pick it up. I believe I said around 3:30 I will pick up her laundry. Then we're gonna go ahead and pick up these 2 bags, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So I will see you guys once we get to her house to pick up these 2 Poplin laundry order. I'll see you guys when we get there. All right, guys, I have gotten off work a lot earlier because it's supposed to be like a tornado.
Head west on Whitewater Drive.
So I'm on my way to go pick up the laundry. I went on and sent them a note. So it said tornado watch.
May be affected by tornado watch.
And to let her know I'll be picking it up much earlier than 3:30, hoping, praying that she has the laundry outside, so when I get there I can just pick up and go. And praying that this app allows the pictures to just take it. Anyway, we're on our way to go pick up this laundry. So I'll see you guys when we get there.
Morning has broken, my windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do
I have picked up the laundry. There's 3 bags instead of 2. So we're on our way back to the house to get started on it. And again, the app will not take the picture, so I had to send a text to the customer letting them know that 3 bags were picked up. That way they know that it came from me because I did it through the app. But anyway, I will see you guys when we get started on the laundry.
I follow what happens tomorrow? I turn to you and hope you can guide the way. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I'm lost my way. I keep holding on.
Good morning, good morning. It is the next day after picking up. Oh, my head's cut off. Picking up the laundry on yesterday. So now we're on our way to go drop this laundry off. It's 3 bags. I think it was like 45 pounds, point something. If I have a screenshot, I'll put it up. But anyway, guys, I'll meet you when we get to the house to drop it off.
Rising up, standing, taking our place, and rising up. And I don't think it's just for interviews in general, but for us independently. Because when we do it was going to go into the house.
Anytime, any place, you stand beside me and wait. I sing hallelujah. I bring my burden again to my Father and my friend. I sing hallelujah. Anytime, any place, you stand beside me and wait. I sing hallelujah. I bring.
Alright guys, the laundry has been dropped off and I'm still having issues with taking a picture. So I had to upload a picture from my phone. So now I'm getting ready to snap a picture of anything so I can be able to go ahead and upload the picture that I've taken to Poplin. Anyway guys, I want to say thank you for always popping in and supporting. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it down in the description box. Thank you for, well, if you're not a part of Mom on a Mission, please come be a part. It is definitely free. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And I will definitely see you guys in the next video.